Embrace the adventure with grace like a swan and emerge like a wave in the sea, because we have found you home at Tai Nant Swansea. Nestled in the central part of the city at High Street, Tai Nant offers a wide range of en-suites and studios tailored for the best student living experience. Each room is thoughtfully designed with a beautiful blue-white theme, providing a serene and refreshing ambience. You'll find everything you need for a comfortable lifestyle, including a cozy bed, a dedicated workstation, and plenty of storage space, along with modern and stylish bathrooms, allowing you to unwind and recharge in comfort and convenience. As for social spaces, you will never have a dull moment in the beautiful courtyard and lively games room. And when it's time to hit the books, find your peace and focus in the tranquil study area. Commuting is a breeze from Tai Nant, with the nearest bus station just a minute's walk away. And for students attending Swansea University, it's just a short 9-minute drive from your doorstep. Plus, Tai Nant's unbeatable location places you amidst opulent cafes and bars, such as Matt's Cafe, Dimu's Pizza, and Hippo's Bar, adding a touch of culinary delight to your student life. So, what are you waiting for? Secure your place at Tai Nant with amberstudent.com and make it the home of your dreams.